Hi, I'm Jen Dixon, American and British multidisciplinary artist and educator in the UK. I create all sorts of things, from humorous to deep and personal, in abstract and figurative styles. It's a pretty mixed bag, but it makes me happy and keeps me plenty busy. For this class, we'll focus on special effects in watercolour. Together we will identify amazing textures from the world around us, practice intentionally with those examples in mind to produce watercolour special effects you can really use, learn to apply these special effects to real painting work without it looking gimmicky, awkward, or out of place. It's going to take your watercolour art to a whole new level of fun and visual excitement.